Hey, I'm Emily and welcome back to my channel. So in preparation for fall, I'm going to be making a fun fall craft that anyone will be able to make. It's literally so easy and I can't wait to share it with you. So I'm going to be painting this white pumpkin and I'm going to mix the paint with some baking soda to give it like a textured terracotta kind of look. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching and we can paint this pumpkin together. And all the products that I got for today's video were from Michaels and I will link them all in the description below. What you'll need for this project is a craft pumpkin, some acrylic paint, baking soda, and a paintbrush. I chose this terracotta color for my pumpkin because that's the vibe that I was going for. So I'm going to start by just pouring the acrylic paint into a cup and just adding baking soda and mixing. I'm just eyeballing it. The baking soda makes the paint a lot thicker, so you wind up needing more paint than you think you would because it's not as thin and spreadable. So then I'm just going for it. I wound up having to do multiple coats of paint. I think I did like 3 to 4 coats to get it to be completely covered. I've been seeing a bunch of crafting accounts on Instagram and TikTok making these types of pumpkins this year, and I really wanted to try it out for myself. I love that so many people are doing different things with it. Like, I like that some people are painting the pumpkins black, some people are painting them green. I just really like the idea. But this is a little trick to get it to dry faster in between coats because I was impatient and really didn't feel like waiting. I used a hair dryer to dry the paint quicker. It works so well. It got it to dry in like half the amount of time. So then at the very end of my last coat, I am sprinkling just a little bit of baking soda onto my pumpkin to give it a little extra texture. Here I'm just taking the paintbrush and painting one last layer over that baking soda. and then you just gotta let it dry completely and it's all done. I love the texture that the baking soda gives. Will you be trying this craft? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more crafting content from me, just leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel so that we could be friends and you will be notified when I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!